Hi, I'm Shane, and I'm detailer at Hendrick, and today we're going to show you how to properly clean a foggy headlight the same way we do on our pre-owned vehicles. Step one, we usually like to make sure all grime, all dirt is off the headlight. We use soap, water, just a simple mix. Cover the whole headlight as best you can. Next, we'll go ahead and use an alcohol pad to remove any of the remaining residue, any of the soap. Same process, whole headlight, top to bottom. Then take another dry microfiber rag and just make sure it's nice and dry. Next, we'll take a non-abrasive rag that comes standard in our kits, along with lens prep. You want no more than about a dime. And go ahead and coat it again. Next, we're going to use one of the abrasive pads that comes in the kit and apply the lens coating. Same process, get the whole lens, and depending on the damage on the headlight, scrub to 2 to possibly 6 minutes, 6 being the heaviest, 2 being the lightest coating. And there you have a restored headlight.